You can use this website to access unlimited paid AI models in one place for free. Let's start by opening the Max option. Here, you can see many AI models for text, code, image, and search. For text, you can use the latest AI models along with many other available models. In the same way, there are many AI models available for coding. For image generation, you can use the latest image models as well as many other options. There are also multiple AI models available for research. You can start chatting with any AI model from here. First, select Text. Then choose any AI model you want. After selecting the model, enter your prompt here. Now send your prompt. The AI model will start generating a reply. Your response is now ready. You can chat with any AI model for as long as you want. You can also generate images from this website. Simply select Image. Then choose your preferred AI model. You can also select Max. In that case, it will automatically choose a suitable AI model to generate your image. I'm going to generate an image of a cat. Let's wait a few seconds. The image has now been generated. If you want to save it, click the Download button. The download is now complete. You can also open the image to preview it. As you can see, it has been downloaded in high resolution. Feel free to use this website and explore all of these AI models. You can also use many of the AI models for free. The website link and the complete guide are available in the description and the pinned comment. Feel free to check them out.